Hi beauties, welcome back for another video. I've missed you guys. I know it's been over a month. I'm so sorry, but I came back with a video that you guys seem to love, which are the crochet braid videos. I'm going to have a leave out this time. So the front where you see me going around the perimeter of my hair is what I'm going to be leaving out. And then the remainder I braided, just a basic braid, nothing special. Braided going towards the back. This is the hair that I will be using. I was going for a natural hair um, mimic natural hair. This is a little clumpy, but I do go in and kind of brush it out and try to make it look as natural as possible. So yeah, I do have quite a few videos on crochet braiding, and only thing I'm doing is inserting the hook, pulling it through, add your piece, wrap it around one time. You do see me doing the regular method. I switched that to the invisible method. A few, I think right here. So yeah, to make it look more natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so this is one pack. This is one pack. I'm thinking I put it close together because I didn't feel like this was a lot of space. Now that it's close together, I do feel like I might need to go in and do the finger width apart, which is the rule for crochet braids. So I'll see when I get to the other side, but this is one pack right here. Let me kind of shoot it to the back for you guys. So this is it. This is actually two packs, and I do have a few spots where maybe I could have did another one, but I'm going to wait until I kind of comb it out, brush it out, take out the leave out area, see what I have to work with, and then make the necessary adjustments. So right now I am going to take out my leave out. Matter of fact, let me put this up because I want to take out my leave out just to kind of see what I am working with, and then I'm going to go in and brush the hair. And I think I might have to come back because I don't want this video to be too long, but I will at least show you guys pretty much how it looks. I want to of course style the hair and then kind of come back and show different parts of what I did. Okay, so wow, look at that. As you can see, it looks really good. Really good. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. Okay, so this is the back on this side, And of course, I need to brush it and do all of that, but at least you have an idea of what it looks like. So this hair is really good. Let's see. Yeah, so this is it. Look at that. And again, this is kind of like the rough draft, so, you know, kind of excuse my hair. Or my natural hair anyway. Okay, so this is kind of it. It looks really, really natural. I love the fact that I will be able to pull it back into a ponytail. It's a little bumpy, but once I brush it, it'll be good. Alright, so I'm about to go through and kind of brush it out. And I think I'm going to just put it in a ponytail today. And then I'm going to do something else to it tomorrow. So you guys will probably just see the high ponytail. Okay, so as I told you guys in the beginning, I do go ahead and cut it. It was just too long, too much hair, the texture, everything, it was just too much for me. So I did go ahead and cut it, and I did not want to do a blunt cut this time. I wanted to have the hair look very, very natural. So after you see me cut it, I'm going to go in and brush it and then use my razor to kind of cut layers and just make it more natural looking. So yeah, that's what I am doing now. I was very careful with my natural hair, making sure I don't cut my natural hair because as you can see, it blended pretty well. So I just went ahead and pinned it up so I can proceed with cutting and shaping and shearing and all of that good stuff to the hair. So yeah, I think that's about it. I will not show you guys the different styles that I do. Hopefully I can come back with another video to show you guys. Hopefully the footage is good because I've actually already recorded it, but I'm not for sure how the footage will be. But in this video, you will just see me just kind of pull the hair up into a bun so you can see that it is very natural looking. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I promise not to be gone a month again this year. Anyway, all right. I thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.